How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And today I'm going to show you guys 3 of the best VPNs you can use for the Firestick. Of course, if you're looking for a VPN for your Firestick, you're probably looking for a VPN that unblocks streaming services, not just, for example, Amazon Prime Video, but also Hulu, Netflix, all these popular HBO Max, Disney Plus, all the popular streaming services. And these 3 VPNs are known for being able to unblock some of the most obscure services all the way to the most popular ones, specifically ExpressVPN, since it has up to 94 regions, unlike NordVPN's 60 regions and Surfshark's 65 regions. So by virtue of having more regions, ExpressVPN is able to unblock more services. And I've tested it with over 100 services, and it was only not able to unblock 2 out of these 100. So that is very good. Such a high consistency rate with ExpressVPN here. So definitely check it out if you're interested. So let's get straight into it. Again, everything will be in the description down below. Here we do have guides from ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark. And in terms of downloading the VPN application on your Firestick, it's as simple as just going to the apps itself. You know, just like any other smart TV, you're going to go to the apps, look up the appropriate, let's say you're looking for Surfshark, Nord, or ExpressVPN, and you're going to be able to download it very easily. And in terms of the UI, it's going to be very simple. You're going to have the same features, the same servers. You've got up to 3,000 servers, over 3,000 servers in 94 countries with ExpressVPN, over 5,200 servers in 60 countries with NordVPN, and over 3,200 servers in 65 countries with Surfshark. You're also going to get all of these on the Firestick application. It's the same old same. Now, one thing you do have to keep in mind is that with these VPNs, the first generation of the Firestick does not support VPN. So as you can tell here, ExpressVPN app is compatible with all versions of Fire TV, but with the stick, it's only the second generation and above. And it's the same with NordVPN here, as they say. So keep in mind that first generation Amazon Fire Stick does not support VPN connection. And it's the same with Surfshark. So it's only the second generation and up. So keep that in mind. So now in terms of streaming capabilities, ExpressVPN, for example, is able to unblock up to 18 Netflix libraries. Nord will be able to unblock up to 10 libraries, and Surfshark up to 15 libraries. Of course, they may be able to unblock more libraries or more streaming services, but these are the confirmed libraries as told by ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark when reached out to them through the live chat support that is available 24/7, by the way, if you'd like to ask them any more questions. Of course, by virtue of having more regions here with ExpressVPN, it is able to unblock more services, so it's only natural that it is able to unblock more Netflix libraries. But besides that, that really is it. It's very simple when it comes to downloading your Firestick. These are the 3 VPNs you want to use, not just for Firestick, but for streaming services in general on your PC, on your iPad, on any device. These 3 VPNs are definitely going to deliver. Of course, if you're interested in more information about these VPNs, you'll find the reviews down below. You'll get an in-depth look into each one of these VPNs so that you know exactly what you're looking for. You know exactly what you're getting yourself into before you make the purchase. But if you do make the purchase and let's say you want to go back on your purchase, you can definitely get yourself a refund within the first 30 days. All these VPNs do have a 30-day money-back guarantee on all of their plans, be it the 30-day plan, the 6-month plan, the 1-year plan, or the 2-year plan. They all have 30-day money-back guarantee so that you are able to get yourself a refund if you'd like, really. So you can try Nord and then try Express and then try Surfshark for all you care. So yeah, you can do that if you would like so that you can maybe try all these services and see which one fits you best. I personally use ExpressVPN. So yeah, I've been very comfortable with ExpressVPN. So whenever it comes to, unblocking streaming services and whatnot, I just go to ExpressVPN, turn on that VPN, and I'm good to go. And in terms of protocols, by the way, I definitely recommend using the lightweight UDP protocol with ExpressVPN, the NordLynx protocol with NordVPN, and that'll be the WireGuard protocol with Surfshark. These are the 3 best performing protocols. Definitely go ahead and use these for the highest consistency rates, 99.9% of the time. They will work just fine, and you won't need any other protocol. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful day.